How you doing, guys? I have a 2007 Toyota 4Runner here. Customer complaint of the humming noise in the rear end. Has a 4.0 liter V6, a four-wheel drive with a locking rear differential. And what I did find is a rear pinion bearing noise. So I got it disassembled. Here's the rear pinion outer bearing. You can see it's all scored. Here. Here's the race. See, it's all scored and heated up. So I did get inner and outer pinion bearings. Also, a collar that goes behind the outer pinion bearing. You have to replace that as well. It sits in behind here, behind the outer race. So don't forget to order that when you order on these parts. So what I was able to order is the inner pinion bearing that I already replaced. It's already pressed on. Here's the collar. I have that as well. Inner pinion bearing and race, outer pinion bearing and race, and collar that sits behind it. It's a new outer pinion bearing. Obviously, this is differential assembly. The carrier bearings look okay. Pinion flange got a new pinion bearing seal. Everything else looks good. Preload caps, everything looks good. So this customer complaint of a 2007 Toyota 4Runner pickup, not pickup truck, SUV with a 4-liter rear locking differential, the humming noise in the back. Didn't change or anything like that. Well, moving left to right on the road. I got the gasket here as well. Also, this collar goes in front of the pinion bearing when you remove the companion flange. And that's in okay shape. So for right now, we're just waiting on that other collar from Toyota. Here's the rear differential housing. What I did, just disconnected these 4 bolts right here. Pulled the axles out slightly. I had 2 guys with me. One guy pulled this side, one guy pulled this side in order to get that taken care of. I did not have to release the brake lines at all. I was able to pull them out just enough to get the differential out. You see the axles in here. Got this all cleaned up nice. That's pretty much about it. Rear differential is humming. Gonna replace the inner and outer pinion bearings. That should take care of it. My preload and everything. Already got my inner pinion bearing race installed. Just can't install my outer pinion bearing race until I receive this collar. So once again, make sure you order this collar if you're going to be doing this job. And this collar number is, actually I had a number on here but I'm not 100% positive, but like I said, it sits behind the pinion bearing race. That's it.